Hey, do it like Brady. Ooh, spit on me, you can't hate me. Know that I'm contemplating, I got a new persuasion. And she bad and Asian, and she called me first. I had to know my worth, I had to kill the snakes. I had to pray to God that I ain't lose myself. Had to pray to God that I ain't lose control. Had to pray to God for my own soul. I'm a black man, black king, ayy, with a black car with black seats, ayy, with a black squad, they on their own masters. We in house rapping. Cop the new Chevy with a key stop, we ain't made back yet. Had to boss up, I got that bag on me, I'm my own back. Back to the trunk, back to the back of the trunk. I just spent 80 today, tested that I'm on the way. Schedule got freed up today, usually 80 meetings, 18 plated on me, so been glowing easy. I got things to water, ain't it growing season? Who you know that never falls through any season, any reason.
Dilly. Yeah, grind hard, I might pop shove it. Rapping your mom and pops love it. Bands on like I'm pop punk. They pipe down when we pop up.
Hitters ready, you better watch up.
Yeah, you like pie inside my home. I'm fighting giants in my dome. I told the life I got 5 stones. R.I.P. to my lack of peace. All my fears, they done passed away. Any foes left in my way, I just it's anime. I pay my dues just like anime. So my family stay on expensive legs until Kingdom come and my daddy lay waste to all his foes like the Atlanta Braves. When they had Chipper Jones, I know my fans amazed at how sleepy playlists get when I drop. They want codeine that's mixed with pop. Indie tribe, we make vintage rock. Rap now like Kids Bop. All about short wristwatch, fake dreads and face tats on stage screaming like Chris Rock. Love all my peers, but I am finna be honest. You'll disappear if you are missing a conscious. Yeah, sword of the spirit, that's my infinity gun. Yeah, sword of the spirit, that's my infinity gun. Dilly. 2.
Lead a sign to the zodiac. I don't need them, I just go attack. I make it epic, call me in the air. Quit playing with me, I go really bad. All 19, we gon' have to go running back. I'm really, really hoping on the track. Messiah on my side, I never lie. Yeah, breaking walls like I'm a running back, slashing like I'm Wolverine. They gon' have to hold me back. They gon' have to hold me back. Hold me back. They gon' have to hold me back. Hold me back. Yeah, really on guard. Yeah, really on guard. Yeah. All these punches in my eyes, try to punish all these lies. I'm with gang, let it sand, load the chopper, let it rain. Play the fan, let Lil Kane, demon slain, they can't hang. Oh my God, I done did it once again. Oh my dogs, I done made it, I just might forget. Oh my God, I need angel wings to repent. Leave me here with the bug, I just might have sinned. Might just ride with a keychain. Look at my life, it's a cheat game. Oh my God, that's a he claim. All on my head, cause I need change. It ain't a miracle, still feeling cynical. All of my feelings, they leaving residual. Climbing the top just to reaching the pinnacle. Wasn't a rich and I'm turning invisible. Get up, catch, rich and God, man, that boy looking like Goldman Sachs. Wait, just run it up, I got an open tab. Hey, and won't you go and get another round? They gon' have to gum it down. I don't dumb it down. I be giving all I got. Really living on the sentimental. Put it in the middle of an instrumental. Every jot and tittle from my brother pencil riddle with the scribbles of the father's riddles. Let me get a griddle. Can I cook a little one? All these punches in my eyes, kinda punish. This is not a drill, it's a real attack. I got them days like I'm an almanac. Staying up like an insomniac. Bring it to the floor and out the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit it with the fire. Hold up. Rapping my sunshine till the day I die. What's up? I done told Kev I'm a diarist. Neighbors they think I'm a tyrant. Think I just sold me a diamond. Go ahead and blow the siren. I might just come in black, ready to attack. Leading the pack. I might just come at the class. Not a drill, it's a real attack. For the squad and affiliates. I make it epic, call it
that came from, dog.
Lead the signs to the zodiac. I don't need them, I just go attack.